Hey everybody, it's Ann Beebe. Today is Monday, October 29th, 2018, and I am on a road trip. I am in Needles, California, which is right on the Colorado River between California and Arizona. And I'm in a fast food parking lot, but I just like these palm trees here, and there's some really cute little birds that are singing, chattering up in these palm trees. I don't know if you can hear them or not. Yeah, I hope you can hear them. I don't know. Yeah, they're kind of... Anyway, I like these palm trees. Anyway, so... Yeah, this is the... I'm just in a fast food parking lot here. And so I'm looking north, or let's see. No. I'm looking sort of... towards the Colorado River. It's over there somewhere. It's a very scenic spot. I've crossed the Colorado River here before. Last year I was on a road trip to New Mexico and Arizona and came this way. So the Colorado River is over there somewhere. I guess that's looking east, I guess. Yeah, east or northeast. Oh, yeah, and the little birds are up in the trees there, up in the palms. Yeah. So I just like these palm trees. And so this parking lot's up on a hill overlooking Needles. So, so I'm going to be heading up to Nevada, to Laughlin, which is just south of Las Vegas. There's a UFO conference that's being held there. But I'm enjoying the sunshine here. And yeah, I was in a really cold, cloudy, rainy, very rainy Pacific Northwest, so I was really happy to see the sunshine driving south into California. So this is Needles. This is Needles, California, on the Colorado River. So I'm near the end of the trip here. I only have maybe another hour's drive, I think, to Laughlin. So I'm not going to go to Vegas. I'm not really interested in Vegas. Laughlin is kind of like the poor man's Vegas. It's kind of an inexpensive. There's casinos there. But it's right on the Colorado River, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what that looks like. Anyway, oh, there's one of the little birds. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's one of them. I think, yeah. They're really cute. I don't know what kind of birds those are. They're very curious. They're finding things to eat here, I think. Yeah. And they love these palm trees. They can just perch and... Yeah. Anyway. I guess that's it for now. Talk to you again soon. Bye.